Hey friends, welcome to another video. Today I'm checking out the Stay There tow strap. Do not hook. This is like a super heavy duty like tow strap for like a truck or something like that. So this thing is pretty sick here. 30,000 pound brake snap point, and so there's that. And then it comes with also some instructions. Pretty sweet little logo you could put like on your bumper sticker or something like that. Bumper sticker. And then it comes in this bag you can put your tow strap in. So that's pretty cool. Oh man, but check this thing out. This thing is like super heavy duty. I'm gonna get my little clippers here and clip this cord if I can. What is it, buddy? Cat's right there. There we go. Oh man. So that thing is, I believe it's 30 feet long, 3 inches wide. But I mean, this thing is, hey, insanely burly. So I'm gonna go out there and like show you how to like hook it up to the truck and things like that. But this thing is, yeah, no indication that this is going to be easily broken at all. So if you want to, if you're out to into 4x4 or things like that, you can just hook this up to your truck if you get stuck or whatever. And I got some tow hitches on my truck and on my bumper. So this one's 10,000 pounds, and brake point is like 30,000 pounds, 100% polyester. But this thing seems like super durable here, guys. We're gonna go hook it up to the truck and show you how it works. But it's like heavy. This thing is like, I mean, every indicator that this is like super strong. It probably weighs about 6 pounds or something. So it's pretty cool. Let's go hook it up, show you guys how it works here. Hey friends, so here we go. I'm gonna hook this up here. Yeah, if you want to tow someone is stuck or whatever, have these in my front bumper here, and just get your tow strap here. Get your, there we go. A little bit rust. I need a little bit of oil on that. Just take that off, and you're just going to put this right on there like that. Attach that on there. And then, the vehicle that you're towing, this is 30 feet long, so you're gonna just go attach to the other vehicle, and then you want to slowly just take out the slack, and then you don't want to accelerate like fast and just like rent, or you just want to take out the slack and then slowly increase pressure to tow it out of there. So this is super solid, and yeah, just a handy thing to have if you're out 4x4 or something like that. Pull your buddy out of the hole if you get stuck or whatever, or if you get stuck, someone help pull you out. So really handy have. I'll just have this, keep this handy in the back of my truck or whatever, just in case I need to help somebody out. So cool, really solid product here, guys. Sweet little bag there. I like the little logo. Yeah, thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.